everyone. This is what's going on outside my window. Do you see how it is? I want to say raining over there, and that is just so crazy. As you can see, the rest of the outside, but just right in this one spot. So I don't know what to take of that because I'm trying to see what else coming, but I guess this is the downfall of the rain. But it's just amazing how God's creation, and He creates such wonderful views. But this is my view for right now. It's approximately 3:54 in the ATL. So I guess that's a big rain cloud in one spot. But it's just so amazing how that is. Okay, capture of the day.